Here guys, this is how you make root beer float, one of my favorite drinks. So first, we are going to put a vanilla ice cream. We have to scoop the ice cream and put it in a clear cup. If you don't have a clear cup, that will be okay. You can use any cup. And then after you put the vanilla ice cream, you're gonna put the root beer, which it will look like it will explode. Just make sure you don't put too much root beer and then it will spill. You need to put just enough vanilla ice cream to make the root beer explode, but not very much. Then we're gonna put the root beer. Here we're going to put the root beer until it reach the top. If you want it to like not explode, either way just don't put too much. So we made a root beer float. Goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching how to make a root beer float.